Got a real quick and easy how-to for Bluebeam here. If you need to combine two PDFs in Bluebeam, you click on the PDFs and right-click, and be combine and review, and then see both of your files there. You can move them up or down. If you click on the file, and these blue arrows up or down, you can also remove them with that red X right there. Give it a name right here. If you would like to save it in the current folder that you're in, there's a button that says use this folder, and you will put it there. If you need to browse, you can browse and save it somewhere else. Once you hit OK, pulls up the staple function dialog box, where if you've moved the files around the wrong direction, you can move them up and down with the blue arrows again, or remove them with the red X. If you hit the staple function, it will place a combined PDF in that directory. If you open it up, you can see that you have the two PDFs duplicated all in one file. And that is how you use the staple function for Bluebeam. If you like more tutorials, visit @CivilCraigD on YouTube.